In this time I will show you how to make trim made of single crochet stitches. For example, I did 2 elements. They look the same, but I took a pattern and crocheted it in different way. Let's look at the first motif. In this case I work it with 1 loop, and as you notice, the second loop is free. This is front side, and let's take a look at the back side. Now let's look at the second motif or element. For this element I used the same pattern, but I work it with loops that are in the lower row. I remind you that all trims made of single crochet stitches. Now I show you how to crochet such trim. I will begin from the first segment. Let's begin the work. I take other kind of yarn, insert the hook into any stitch, take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain, and single crochet into the same stitch. Make single crochet into each stitch. You can make such trim of other kind of yarn or other color. I took yarn with lurex. Make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Then make single crochet into each stitch. Two single crochet, and we continue working. Single crochet into each stitch, then single crochet, I will work with this side. I'm going to make single crochet into the 3 loops. I insert the hook into the loops of the stitches. Make single crochet and single crochet into each 3 loop. Let's look. Make 1 more single crochet and turn the work. I will work with this side. For this, insert the hook into the loops by working single crochet. In this case, I do 2 single crochet. Then single crochet into each 3 loop. I'm going to work till this point. I did single crochet till this point. I would like to work with this stitch. For this I need to do some stitches. Insert the hook into the loops of the stitches. Make single crochet. And single crochet into the stitch. Continue working single crochet into each stitch. Two single crochet into the turn. And make 2 single crochet on the top and single crochet twice into the next stitch. Then single crochet into each stitch. You can continue in this direction, then turn and work in backwards direction. Then you can crochet in this way. The way of crocheting you determine by yourself. We did trims for 2 elements. Let me show you the first element. For this element I used the same pattern, but I work it with loops. They are in the lower row. I remind you, all trims made of single crochet stitches. While crocheting, you can experiment with colors and stitches. Your trim can be made of double crochet stitches or single crochet, or reverse single crochet. The direction in crocheting you choose by yourself. I show you how to trim looks in the other elements. Such leaf can be used as separate element or as 4 laces such as guipure or Irish. Also, you can change the color of trims. Here is the more examples of big elements. As you can see, the trims is visible on the front side. And don't miss our new video tutorials and video instruction on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!